Hi, welcome to Microsoft Word Shortcuts tutorial. In this shortcuts tutorial, we will be focusing on different shortcuts in Microsoft Word. These shortcuts will help you to complete your work quickly. The time for completion of your work in MS Word will become very less by using all these shortcuts. I have divided the total shortcuts of MS Word into different parts. In part 1, we will be discussing about different shortcuts with Ctrl+Shift combination. The shortcuts of Ctrl+Shift combination are divided into different parts. We will be discussing few shortcuts of Ctrl+Shift combination. So it is not about listening to these shortcuts. If you practice more, you will be able to remember these for a long period of time. Let's see the first shortcut, that is Ctrl+Shift+A. Ctrl+Shift+A converts the selected text to capital letters. First, for copying the format, Ctrl+Shift+C. For pasting the format into another selection, we have to use Ctrl+Shift+C. Ctrl+Shift+D. If you want double underline for the text, you have to use the shortcuts Ctrl+Shift+D. Ctrl+Shift+F. The font dialog box. Different options related to the font will be displayed by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+F. Ctrl+Shift+G will display the word count dialog box, like number of words in the document, number of lines in the document, okay, number of characters in the document. All this information will be displayed to us by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+G. Now let's see how these shortcuts will work in MS Word. Now if you see here, Ctrl+Shift+A shortcut is converting the text from lowercase to uppercase and uppercase to lowercase. Okay, the characters are getting converted from uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase by using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift. Now coming to the third one, Ctrl+Shift+C. What is happening with this? The format of first selection will be copied to the second. Now I am clicking on Ctrl+Shift+C. The format is copied, like double underline. You can also see the font color like blue color and all. Now when I use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+V on the second selection, the format like double underline and blue color text will be applied to the second selection. Now I am selecting C and I'm clicking on Ctrl+Shift+V. So the format of above is applied to the selection, that is selected text is C. Now moving on to the next shortcut, Ctrl+Shift+D will display double underline. Okay. Double underline shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+D. Okay. Now you can see that the selected text will have double underline by pressing the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+D. There is no shortcut with Ctrl+Shift+E, and the next shortcut is Ctrl+Shift+G. Ctrl+Shift+G will display word count dialog box. Number of lines in the document, number of words in the document, number of characters in the document will be displayed by using this shortcut. You can see here words, characters with spaces, characters without spaces, paragraphs, lines. All this word count dialog box will be displayed with this shortcut. This is part 1.